Hi students, welcome again to my class. Today I am going to start 7th class first chapter integers introduction. It is very important for everyone, not only for 7th class students. I think students from 6th to 10th class must watch this video and practice it. Let's recall natural numbers. What are natural numbers? The collection of numbers which start from 1 that are known as a natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Whole numbers, the collection of numbers which start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are called whole numbers. Okay. If we put whole numbers and negative numbers together, we get a bigger collection of numbers that are called integers. Okay. Whole numbers are plus 0, plus 1, plus 2. If no sign is there, if no sign is there, only number is there, means here plus sign, we should write plus sign. Okay, here plus 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 is there. Okay, if we put negative sign to these numbers, if we put negative sign to any whole number, it will become integer. Okay, integers, and integers are denoted by Z, first letter of German word Zahl, that means number. Okay, the important point that you have to remember in the integer is, we know that plus 6 is bigger than plus 3, but if we applied minus sign to it, minus 3 is bigger than minus 6. Okay, minus 3 is bigger than minus 6. Okay, the smaller number will become bigger and the bigger number will become smaller. Now the operation of integers. Okay, addition of integers. Okay, here 4 plus 3 is 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 4 plus of minus 1 is there. Okay, 4 plus of minus 1 is there. What you have to do? You have to do here multiplication. Plus into minus is minus. Okay, here you can write 4 plus into minus is minus. 4 minus 1 is equals to 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, now again 4 plus into minus is minus 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. Okay, so remember this formula of integer. Okay, plus into plus is plus here, plus into minus is minus, and minus into plus is minus. Okay, and minus into minus is plus. Okay, if same symbol is there, here same symbol is there now, so you have to write plus. Same symbol is there. Okay, if different symbol is there, you have to write minus. Okay, how to draw number line in addition? Okay, here we have to take 0 in between, and you have to take the plus numbers on the right side. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here we have taken. Okay, and the minus number you have to take on left hand side. Okay, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. So don't write minus here, minus 1 and minus 2 like this. Okay, write here, write the minus symbol on the left side of the number, don't write on the right side. Okay, most students will do this mistake. Now 3 plus 2, what is 3 plus 2? It is 5. Okay, we know the answer, it is 5. So what you have to do, you have to move the curves. Okay, you have to move the curves on the right side. Okay, if addition is there, you have to move the curves on the right side. 3 plus 2 means 1, 2. What is the answer? 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, here 5 is there. Okay, so here we are moving the curves on the right side now, so we have to write, we have to show the arrows where we are moving it, where we are moving the curves. Okay, now the subtraction of integers. Here we are taking two numbers, 6 minus 3. What is 6 minus 3? It is 3. 4 minus 5. Okay, we can't do this now. 4 minus 5 we can't do, so we have to do 5 minus 4. What is 5 minus 4? It is 1. So you have to write the symbol of bigger number. Okay, here 6 minus 3 we are taking 3. So what is the bigger number here? 6. Before 6 what is there? Plus is there. So no need to write here plus. Okay, we can write 3. But here 4 minus 5 we have to write minus 1 here, because the minus number is bigger here. Okay, now 6 minus of minus 4 is, what is the minus into minus? It is plus. 6 minus into minus is plus, 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, now number line. Now we'll draw the number line of 6 minus 3. Okay, now what we'll do again, here we'll take the positive numbers. Okay, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. Here we'll take the negative numbers. Okay, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Okay, now what we have to do, 6 minus 3 we have to take now. So 6 minus 3 means you have to move the curve to the left side. Okay, in the addition you have to move the curves to the right side. Okay, in the subtraction you have to move the curves to the left side. Okay, now we are moving the curves to the left side. 6 minus 3 means 1, 2, 3. Okay, what is 6 minus 3? It is 3. Okay, so the answer is 6 minus 3 is equals to 3, and you have to keep the arrows to the left side. Okay, now how to do subtraction of 6 minus of minus 2. Okay, what is 6 minus minus of minus 2? It is 6 minus into minus is plus, 6 plus 2 is 8. So here it is very simple, don't get confused. Okay, what you have to do, again you have to take the plus number here, the minus number here. Okay, you have to move the curves to the same what you have did in the addition. Okay, here 6 plus 2 we have to do 6 plus 2 again. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, we are moving the curve. Okay, 1, 2. 6 plus 2 is again 8. Okay, so here we have to keep arrows. Okay, here we have to keep arrows, so we are moving it to the right side. Okay, same we have to do like what we have done in addition. Okay, so don't get confused if minus of minus is there. Okay, if 4 plus of minus 2 is there. Okay, if 4 plus of minus 2 is there, what you have to do, again you have to do here plus into minus is minus, 4 minus 2. What is 4 minus 2? Again it is 2. So you have to do here 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 means what you have to do, you have to move the curves to the left side. Okay, now we are doing now, it is moving to the left side. Okay, 4 minus 2 is here 2. Okay, now you have to keep the arrows here as we are moving this here now, so you have to keep the arrows here. Okay, got it? Here we are moving it to the left side. Okay, now what is minus 3 and minus 2? Here if minus symbol is there, minus and minus is there, what you have to do, you have to do addition. Okay, if minus 3 and minus 2 if minus 3 and minus 2 is there here, you have to do here addition. Okay, what is minus 3 and minus 2? It is 5. 3, 4, 5, we have to add it. Okay, if minus minus is there, you have to add it, remember this. Okay, now what you have to do, again you have to write the bigger number symbol here. It is minus. Okay, minus 5, it is minus 5. So here on the number line, what you have to do, again you have to take the minus symbol here. Okay, and the plus numbers here. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to move the curves from minus 3 here to minus 5. 1, 2. Minus 3 and minus 2 is there now. 1, 2. Minus 3. Okay, minus 2. It is 1, 2. Okay, what is minus 3 and minus 2? It is minus 5. The answer is minus 5. Okay, now multiplication. In the multiplication, now we are taking here two number. 2 3s are 6. Okay, 2 into 3 we are taking. Okay, in this what you have to do, you have to take 3 2 times. Okay, you have to take the 3 2 times. Okay, if suppose here 6 is there, so what you have to do, you have to take the 3 6 times. Okay, take the second number. Okay, don't take the first number. Okay, take the second number. Okay, here 3 is there now, you have to take these 3 2 times. Okay, 2 3s are 6. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to draw a number line same, the negative sign, the negative number you have to take on the left side, and the positive number you have to take on the right side. Okay, now what you have to do, again you have to move the curves from 0. Okay, from 0 to 3. Okay, one time you have to take from 0 to 3, and on the next time you have to take from 3 to 6. Okay, it is 1 2 3 again. You have to leave this 3. Okay, you have to take again 3 numbers, 1 2 3. Okay, now you have to move the curves. Okay, and the answer is 6. 3 2s are 6, and 3 plus 3 is also 6. Okay, and you have to keep the arrows in between here. Similarly, now we are taking here two numbers, 3 into minus 3 we are taking here. Now what you have to do, again you have to take minus 3 3 times. Okay, minus 3 plus of minus 3 plus of minus 3. Okay, then what is the answer here? What you have to do, again you have to write here, you have to write only here minus symbols. Okay, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8 minus 9. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to move the curves here from 0 to minus 3 one time. Okay, from minus 3 you have to leave this minus 3, and you have to take minus 4 minus 5 and minus 6. Okay, 3 times. Then minus 7 minus 8 and minus 9. Answer is minus 9. Okay, these minus 3 we are taking 3 times, so the answer is 3 3s are 9, plus into minus is minus. Okay, answer is minus 9 here. Now we'll do it practically and we'll see it. Okay, here minus 3 plus of minus 3 plus of minus 3 is there. What you have to do, plus into minus is minus, plus into minus is minus here, minus 3 minus 3 minus 3. Minus 3 minus 3 is, you have to do here addition. If minus minus is there, what you have to do, you have to do addition. Minus 3 and minus 3 is minus 6. Okay, minus number you have to take, and minus 3. Minus 6 and minus 3 is again 9. Okay, again what you have to do, minus 6 and minus 3 means symbol you have to take. You have to take here minus 9. Okay, as the minus number is bigger, you have to take here minus. Answer is minus 9. So we got the answer now here. Now we will study some patterns here, some patterns of multiplication that you have to remember. It is very important. Minus 3 into minus 3. What is minus 3 into minus 3? First you have to write what is minus into minus. It is plus. Okay, first we will multiply the symbols. Okay, then 3 3s is 9. Okay, it is plus 9. Okay, then here minus is there, here plus is there. Okay, if nothing is there, what you have to take, you have to take plus. It is plus 1. Okay, minus into plus is again minus. 4 ones are 4. Then here again plus is there. Okay, plus 5 into minus 1. Okay, plus into minus is minus. First we will multiply the symbol, then 5 ones are 5. Minus 4 into 0 is 0 again. Okay, 0 into something is 0, and something into 0 is always 0. Remember this. Okay, if 1 into 0 is there, 0 into 1 is there, it is 0 only. Okay, if 0 into 2 is there, if we multiply 0 with any number, the answer is 0. Okay, now how to do 3-digit multiplication of integers. Okay, here 3 numbers we are taking, minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 4. What you have to do, you have to do, first we are taking 2 numbers. Okay, minus into minus is plus again. 3 6 are 18. Okay, into again minus 4. Okay, what is 18 4s are? It is 72. Okay, then plus into minus is again minus. Okay, now again what you have to do, again minus into plus is minus here. 2 6 are 12 into minus 2. So don't write like this, write this in bracket. Okay, 12 2 is 24. Minus into minus is plus. Answer is plus 24. Okay, got it? You can do directly also, but if we take two numbers, it will be easily for you. Okay, now the division in integers. Here 12 is there, minus 12 and minus 6 is there. You have to see how many times this 12 goes in this 6 table. How many times it goes? 6 2s are 12. 2 times. 2 times it goes now, so you have to write here 2. Then again you have to multiply this symbol. Minus into minus is plus. Answer is plus 2. Okay, again how many times this 45 goes in 9 table? It goes 5 times. 9 5s are 45. Okay, 5 times. 5 times. So minus into plus is here minus. Answer is minus 5. Okay, and this is a rule of division. We have completed the operations of integers under addition and subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, in my next video we'll move to exercise 1. Okay, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.